Right, just picked the tours up from school. You seen that? Connor's the sensible one. And Kieran, he's got to walk in all that grass. Why do kids always have to walk on that side of the banister? No, but like every single child Kieran's age walks on that side, Connor. You used to when you were little. But how cute are them two brothers? Connor's looking after Kieran. How good is Connor there as a big brother? He won't let go. Are you saying hi, Connor? You on camera? Filming? Kieran, be careful here. Look, big river down there. Look, Connor's holding on to him. Yeah, well, come on that way. We don't want you falling. Look at that, Natural beauty everywhere, isn't there? So, it's all wet. I was hoping this would be covered in snow, but it's not. Where's the snow? Right, walking down here. Bus stop at end there. We're going to get on the bus. Great, this school run, innit? Huh? Look, someone's dumped the old Christmas tree there. So all sorts gets dumped here. Can you see how rubbish? Why do people do that? Hate it. I mean, it's not hard to put your rubbish in your pocket or take it home and put it in the bin, is it? Or put it in someone else's bin. Like that one there. Just everywhere you go, there's just rubbish.
What is that TV doing there?
Someone's dumped it. Dumped again. See? We're on our way home and all I see is like rubbish. There's bins there. I suppose the main streets are okay. I suppose.
Yeah, and me and Kieran are okay.
Let's have a look. Oh, you're going to kiss away from the road. Why are you going to kiss him? I didn't road there. Well, you're saying hi. Hi, Kieran.
Hello.
Hi, Connor.
Hello.
Look how much of a good big brother he is. Though, huh?
Oh, so nice.
Don't know what they're doing. You're going to get wet doing that. Oh, rain. Right, stop. There's a road. There's a road. Come on, let me cross it. No, we'd be at bus stop by now if it weren't, please. Right, quick. Go, go, go.
Imagine buses went through there.
I know.
That'll be a tight spot.
Uh-huh. Right. A bit further down here. Because what are we doing? We're getting the bus at the end of here. We're getting the bus.
Don't look at me.
Right. Gotta go. See you in a bit. Love you guys. See you later.